Imagine having a clear path for your independent career, knowing exactly where you want to be in 3, 5, and even 10 years. In this short video, you'll discover how to design that roadmap, why it matters, and how it transforms uncertainty into confidence. Start with your strengths. What are you great at? What energizes you? Your core skills form the foundation of your niche. Next, define your values. Do you want flexibility, creative freedom, or financial security? Align your career path with what matters most. Consider lifestyle goals. Where do you want to live? How much time do you want for family or travel? Your choices today shape your future. Moving from employee to entrepreneur requires resilience and accountability. Build habits that reinforce independence. In 3 years, aim for stability, consistent income, strong client base, and a professional brand. At 5 years, expand your reach. Specialize in high-value niches, diversify income streams, and build thought leadership. At 10 years, think legacy. Create scalable models. Plan for financial independence and align with your life goals. Ready to design your future? Click the link in the description to access your free self-assessment tool. Budget for taxes, insurance, and retirement early. Independent professionals must create their own safety nets. Stay ahead of trends, AI, sustainability, or niche expertise. Continuous learning ensures relevance. Understand where demand is growing. Position yourself where opportunities are expanding. Build relationships with peers and mentors. These connections open doors and provide guidance. Set SMART goals: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Break down milestones for each horizon. Define actionable steps for 3, 5, and 10 years. Revisit your roadmap annually. Adapt to market shifts and personal changes. Plan for income variability. Use tools for efficiency and prioritize well-being to avoid burnout. Your future as an independent contractor starts now. Click the link below and take the first step toward your 10-year vision today.